Robintex Group has 3 concerns: Robintex, Bangladesh Limited, Robin Knitwear Limited and Comtex Bangladesh Limited, in the composite knitwear sector, and all of its factories are lavishly accommodated in a 35-acre single premise situated at Volta, Narayanganj, about 15 kilometers to the east of Dhaka, just by the highway that connects the capital city with the country's international port city, Chittagong. With the world-leading machinery, technology, and expertise from Germany, USA, UK, Japan, Switzerland, Australia, Italy, Singapore, and India, it has been purposefully configured to qualify to be a full-fledged vertically integrated composite knit premise. Beside all of required utilities and about 0.71 million square feet of floor space for production, it has plenty of open space, lush greenery, and necessary environment protection measures as well. With 1864 sewing machines, here, about 7,500 skilled workforce members are working in an ideal environment to produce about 0.1 million pieces of high-quality and diverse types of knit garments every day. Conceding to its buyers' increasing demands, Robintex has now committed an additional investment worth about $28.20 million in the same premise to strengthen and enhance its production capacity. Having completed the expansion, as scheduled to be completed by 2012, it would be able to produce additional 5.5 tons of fabrics and about 25,000 pieces of high-quality knit garments every day, increasing by more than 27.5% every year. For over the last decade, Robintex exported apparel worth about